Bilfinger.
I'm excited to share how Bilfinger is accelerating industrial sustainability with our net zero approach. The industrial sector must rapidly reduce its carbon emissions to meet societal and regulatory demands while facing uncertainties in energy prices and availability. Unfortunately, most of the corporate decarbonization strategies have not yet been translated into executable roadmaps at site level. At Bilfinger, we recognize the urgency to address this challenge head-on. Leveraging decades of experience in energy efficiency and sustainability projects, we developed our structured and pragmatic lifecycle approach, which consists of 3 phases: development of a net zero roadmap, design and build, operate and maintain. Our approach has been tested across numerous projects, benefiting individual plants and large-scale operators alike. We've witnessed energy savings, reduced emissions, and enhanced sustainability performance. Bilfinger is the #1 partner for the industrial sector. Our net zero approach isn't just a vision, it's a reality. I'm Jordi Koes. Please reach out to start collaborating.